Do not get rid of this foundation at all, because this mix-in pigment is only $8, and I'm very sure your foundation costs more than that, right? Yeah. If you're like me, I know you have some old foundation that's not expired, that's just sitting around, that is not your undertone. I have these two foundation today from I Am Magic, and these did not really match my complexion as well as it should. So we're gonna mix today, and what we're gonna do is to fix it is my good old foundation mixing pigment, and the one I'm using is from LA Girl. Now I have the blue, and the blue, what it does, it neutralizes the foundation. If you need more information on these foundation mixing pigment, I have a detailed video of which color and what it does for each foundation or what you're trying to achieve. Put 1 drop here of my blue mixing, and I put 2. Hopefully that's not too much. So we are mixing, and that's the shade. So now let's test it and see if I need to do a little tweak into it. Hopefully not. Look a little light, you see? I'm gonna put just a little more of the e.l.f. in it. So we're gonna save everything that we have here, guys. Do not get rid of this foundation at all, because this mix-in pigment is only $8, and I'm very sure your foundation costs more than that. All right, so I add a little more. So do you see that? Yeah? Should I go a little darker? Yeah. Which one y'all think look much better? Which one look more like my skin tone? This one, right? Yeah, I think this one is it for me. So let's go in. So do you see that? Looks much better, right? Yeah, much better.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine.
Comment below and let me know if you guys are still suffering from allergies. I thought the pollen already checked out, but obviously not.
Be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change.
So what I've been mixing is LOREL Mercier. This is in honey. I've been mixing that with my Benai.
Like I'm better off with you.
So let's finish this face. I'm not going to talk right through this.
Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm back.
All right, so that's that. Yeah, I start talking differently. Anyway, let's go with my highlight. I'm going to use a STILA today. And I'm going really light again, because I want it to be lost in the skin. You know, like, see? Yeah.
Old thoughts be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it back.
Alright, so guys, this is the final look. Didn't it come out really well? Yeah, I love it. Hopefully you guys learned about something using the foundation mixing pigment to save your foundation and to get more out of your product that you currently have. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any comments or any question, make sure you leave them below. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. And I'll see you all on the very next one. Bye guys.